guys, so we are doing this video today to show you how you can refill a MYLE pod, which is quite expensive to be honest, with a normal vape liquid. So what we have here is an empty MYLE pod, as you can see, and I have this blue raspberry flavored vape liquid. So I'm going to just show you how to do this thing, how to refill this at home using the simplest of equipments that you would have readily available. So I have a plastic fork here. So if you pay attention to this pod, on the bottom you have these two connectors, and then you would see a rubber cap here, a stopper maybe. So what we need to do is we need to take this rubber cap out. So use a plastic, if you have a forceps, well and good, but I just wanted to do this with some simplest of the things that you can find lying around, so a normal fork would do. Just don't try to damage this, don't try to be very pushy, but this is really easy to pick out. So just insert your fork inside and just try to lift this cap gently off the hole that shuts up. Yeah, so here we are, it's coming out. And if you see, without no fuss, we have the cap out. I'll just keep it safe somewhere. And oh, that's my MYLE pod. So you have this. Now the tricky part is that the liquid has to be filled through a very tiny hole, and when you fill liquid in the hole, the air inside would come out, and that's the problem, you know. The liquid has to be filled really slow so that the air can come out where the liquid is also going in. So nothing tricky here, just keep your refill, and if you can see the blue liquid flowing down, just be a little gentle on it, let it not flow out. See, if you see the blue magical liquid, yeah, that's what you want, flowing in the pod. And here we are, almost there. See, the trick is not to apply too much pressure, you know. Just keep pressing gradually, and here we have a full MYLE pod. And I'll just wipe this off because there are connectors at the bottom of this thing. I just don't want to short circuit my pod. And I'll take this top cap again, and it's easy, right? You just place it, push it back in with your fork, maybe make sure it's there, and you're done. So you've got a fully filled liquid at first fraction of a cost that you would have had. Thanks guys. If you like this video, do hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share. Thanks so much.